Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you a DIY cardboard study table which I have made. So over here I'm going to show you the quality as well as strength of it. Now you can see 15 kg, and then the next when I'm sitting on it also it can hold my weight, and this is totally made from cardboard. So let's set up this table in just 30 seconds. So he is my brother, Mr. Dilip Singh, and he is going to show you the demo how he is able to take it out from the board very easily, and he is able to assemble one leg. So now he is going to assemble the another leg of the table. So you can see just easily you can take it out from this, and then you can just place it in the cut, and then the second part is also ready. So now he will be just able to put the top of the thing on this, and your table is ready. So now you can see he can easily sit on it and he can work on his laptop. Yeah, so in this now I'm going to add something so that my laptop doesn't get heated up, as well as it will give me a small height so that I can face the camera and take online classes. So first I have taken this small cardboard and I have made it in three pieces as you can see, and small cut which is going to make it tilted. So after fixing these two parts I can easily open my MacBook as you can see and adjust as much as height I need, and since it is tilted, whatever the heat is generated will be easily escaping. So now you can see it has been set up. So to make the top of the table, first of all you need a cartoon box. So make sure the cartoon box is little bigger, and then we will be opening the box, and then we have to cut the length of the box around 73 centimeter. So once you cut the box, you need small 2 centimeter, and with the 73 centimeter long 4-5 cardboard pieces, stick them together and stick it on both the ends of the cardboard so that it become a strong, and then paste it using Fevicol as shown in the picture. So in this part we are going to make the legs of the table. So first take a cardboard of 73 centimeter into 30 centimeter, cut three pieces of them, and then by using Fevicol paste them together. Now make a line in the center and then cut it exactly 36 centimeter from the center of 1 centimeter from the center. Now make it two pieces like this. Again take a cardboard of the table size and cut it from the center to make it two pieces, and then again just like before 36 centimeter from the center cut the two pieces, and now as shown in the picture you can just connect them together by pushing against each other. So like this we are able to create both the legs for the table. So I hope this is clear how to make, and this is very easy to make also.